Meaning of Dalek. Dalek. Dalek.
Dalek. Dalek. Dalek is a fictional extraterrestrial race of mutants from the British science fiction television series Doctor Who. The Daleks are known for their aggressive behavior, desire to exterminate all other life forms, and their iconic design featuring a plunger-like robotic arm and a dome-shaped head with an eye stalk. The term Dalek has become a widely recognized pop culture reference, often used to describe something or someone that is ruthless, cold, and single-minded in their pursuit of a goal.